My bike is where I find myself. Once I clip into the pedals, it becomes a time where I can reflect for hours at a time, with no worry or distraction, just the road and myself. Most of my thoughts of the videos come from cycling. Cycling has been a passion for me since the first grade. I'm a very competitive person and racing is in my blood. I guess I took that to the field of education as well. As I become more of a cycling enthusiast, I set goals and challenge myself to the fullest. My ambition becomes rigorous and more time-consuming. When the weekend looms, I set my objectives, work on a schedule for a day or two of cycling that would prepare me for the task ahead. When I was in primary school, I remember sitting down with my teacher and him telling me to keep on track of my goals and objectives. When you set goals, your vision will become reality, he used to say. I began my tracking fairly easy with simple rides early in the morning that would prepare my body for the race to come. I begin to feel stronger every week, but my motivation strives for more. The goal becomes a fixation where sacrificing anything else is not a problem to reach my target destination. Sometimes I give up lunches with friends and consume health bars on my bike to fit that extra hour in for biking in my little city. I don't go usually for family gatherings except to see my dad and my mom. My day consists of work in the morning, the bike till sundown, and teaching, evening, Zoom classes until 12 a.m., where I cannot keep my eyes open any longer. I focus on two things, the bike and work. My family actually has a priority in my agenda as well. I'm a very simple person when it comes to achieving goals. That is why I have one track in mind at a time. I feel strong, too early when I ride my bike. Sometimes my body takes an hour after hour in the pouring rain. This is a habit that keeps me moving forward. I begin to suffer Achilles tendonitis in my legs when I return home from biking sometimes. It takes sometimes 2 weeks off to heal, and then somehow I start biking again.